Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the RGB LED with your robot car. So you have the red pin, green pin, and blue pin, and these pins can be used to create different color combinations on your RGB. And it's got the negative common cathode that goes straight to the ground pin. Let's go straight to the code so we see how it's been used. Right, so I have LED red representing the red LED, LED green representing the green LED, LED blue representing the blue LED, and I have connected A1 to the red LED, A0 to the green LED, and A2 of the motor header to the blue LED. So in my setup, I initiate the red LED as an output, all the LEDs as outputs, and just initialize all of them to a low voltage, so turn them off really. So I have a function that cycles through these different colors to create a test, and so you just have red, green, blue, different colors showing, as you can see. And what I do is just put call that function in the setup, so that function will run only once to show the different colors, all the pins are working properly. And in my loop, I call only one function, which is the rainbow function. So let's have a better look at the rainbow function. So within the rainbow function, so I have, it returns nothing, no integer, so it's just a void function. But within on there, I have created, I call it my white function, red LED on, orange LED on, yellow on, green on. So it basically cycles through white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, cyan, and turns the LED off. Within each color change, I've got 1 second delay inserted, and then finally 2 second delay after I switch off the LED. So let's have a look at the color functions. So for the red LED, I use analog right and turn the red LED on with full color. Then the green LED, switch green LED off, and the blue LED off. Similarly for green LED, all the other LEDs are off, and I send the green LED to full color using 2455 for pole width modulation. Blue, similar color. And for white, when you turn all the colors on, as you get the white color. So I've got the green on, red on, and the blue on. Switch to full color. So for purple, I've got a mixture of the red LED and also the blue LED, just with a slightly lower color which is lower voltage, which is 175 for the red LED and 255 for the blue LED. And you can cycle through yellow, which you will have red set to 255 and green 255, and the blue is turned completely off. For orange, you've got red 255 and a touch of green color, then there's no blue as well. For cyan, 0, and the green LED 255, so 0 for the red LED and the blue LED 255. And obviously you can turn all of them off to have no LED light at all. So the cycle through colors, which basically test the LEDs, basically switch the LED, red LED high, so the red LED on, wait for half a second, switch the red LED off, and then wait for another half a second. So that blinks the red LED, and then you blink the green LED, and you blink the blue LED. I should. So you can just compile it and upload it to your board. You should see the LED cycle through all the colors first before it gets into the loop where it runs the rainbow colors continuously.